it's me again, and I'm here to show you another way to solve a subtraction equation. Now, it might be a little silly because guess where I am? I'm in the bathtub. But do you know why I'm in the bathtub? It's because the bathtub walls are made out of the same material that our whiteboards are made out of. So I can write on the bathtub wall and show you how to do it, and then I can just wipe it off just like a whiteboard. So don't do this at home because you have to have special markers and you need your parents' permission. But I'm going to write on the bathtub wall to show you. So yesterday we talked about how to solve a subtraction equation using manipulatives. So I showed you with paper clips, and you practiced that today with food, right? Bet that was pretty fun. So today I'm going to show you two new ways. So one is drawing a picture. And we've already done this a lot with our word problems, so you should be like super good at this and just be able to fly right through it. But I'm going to show you one more time. So if you see a subtraction equation, let's do 5 minus 4 equals. Remember, that symbol right there is means that we are going to minus, we're taking away. So we always start with the first number and we take away the second number. So I'm going to just continue using squares like we always have. So my first number is 5. So we're going to draw 5 squares. So usually we go up and down to show that our number is getting bigger and we're adding to make 10. But depending on how much room you have, you can do it either way. So I'm going to draw 5. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go back and label them just to make sure if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5, take away 4. So I'm going to take away 4 of the squares that I just drew. And I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to cross out 4. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, we cross out these numbers that we cross out. And guess what? That leaves me with my one answer. And I can just count 1, or I can look at that and circle it. So 5 minus 4 equals 1. If I went this way, and let's say I did not label, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I crossed out 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I would just count how many are left, and that's 1. So let's try it with another problem. Let's do 8 minus 5 equals. So I'm going to draw 8 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you don't label them, make sure you go back and count them just to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to take away my second number, which is 5. I'm just going to cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My answer is how many are left. So I'm going to count. Whoops. 1, 2, 3. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. So that is one way that y'all are really used to solve a subtraction equation, is to draw pictures. So the next way to solve a subtraction equation is to use your fingers. Now, sometimes it can be a little hard to use fingers because it's hard to put that many fingers up and keep track. So I don't really suggest using your fingers all the time, and once you get to bigger numbers, you don't have that many fingers. But it is a strategy that you can use if you want. So let's say our problem is, let's take this one. Let's start easy. Let's do 4 minus 2 equals. I would put up my first number. I would put up that many fingers, which is 4. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it says take away 2. So out of the 4 that I put up, I'm going to take 2 of those away. So I'm going to say 1, 2. How many fingers do I have left up? 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. Let's do another one. Let's do 6 minus, let's do 6 minus 2. So I put up the first number, that many fingers. So I know 5 on one hand, so I can say 5, 6. And I'm going to take down 2. Now I would always suggest you take down starting from the hand that's not full. Because if I took 2 from this one, then I'd have to count 2 hands worth and it just gets confusing. So I have 6. I'm going to start with this hand. I'm going to say 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. Let's do another. Let's do 10 minus 7. So I'm going to put up 10 fingers, and I know that's both hands. So I'm going to say 10 minus 7. I'm going to put down 7 fingers. Take those away. So I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already knew that was 5. I could just put that hand down. So 5, 6, 7. How many fingers are left up? 1, 2, 3. So my answer to 10 minus 7 equals 3. Let's try one more. Let's do 8 minus 3. So I start with my first number, which is 8. I put that many fingers up. So I say 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I take down 3. So I'm going to start with my hand that's not full. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 5. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. So there you go. 2 new strategies to help you solve these subtraction equations. So in your work today, you're going to practice drawing pictures and you're going to practice with using your fingers. So good luck and let me know if you need any help. Bye!